Good morning teachers, this is Mohd Sajid Khan. I have completed my B.Ed in English from JAMIA Islamia. Benefit of online assignment writing services. Benefit of online assignment in the 4 parts. Introduction, reliable and efficient. You can expect the professional writers to be reliable and efficient in their work. They will communicate with you before making any modification to your content. Time efficient. This is a big concern for everyone today. So online homework allows a student to make up for the time lost and submit their assignment on time, so that their time is effectively saved. Highly comfortable. Learning abilities of a student vary from another. Online homework assignment provide a student a platform where they can get cleared on their doubts and questions in a private manner that benefit them to a great effect. Completely interactive. Online homework portals are very much interactive and lay out easy method for the students to get homework completed right on schedule. Furthermore, communication with the teacher can also be established via this online homework portal so that the student can complete their homework as per the guidelines. Personalized attention. Unlike classroom where the attention of the teacher are distributed among the student of the entire class, online homework assignment portal provide a student personalized which helps them to grow and understand the subject matter in a much better manner. Also, online help is an ideal solution for the students who are reluctant to raise their hand in the class. That's all. Contact us. Address R85 near Hain Masjid, Patla, JAMIA Nagar, New Delhi 25. Website www.jaise.study.com. Email sjmdsajidkhan1346@gmail.com. Contact 96430138947 7011339746. Both calling and WhatsApp are available. That's all. Thank you so much.